Did you know a sneeze can actually impact your spine? When you sneeze or cough, the pressure inside your spinal canal momentarily increases. For a healthy spine, this is completely normal and harmless. But if you have a slip disc, a weaker core, or a poor posture, this repetitive pressure can trigger pain or discomfort. That's why core strength and proper posture are your spine's best defenses, even during something as simple as a sneeze. Small actions matter. Protect your spine in every moment, not just at the gym.